The thesis of Steven Pinker's Enlightenment Now is that the Enlightenment values of reason, science, and humanism have brought about significant progress in human well-being, and that we should continue to uphold these values in order to further improve the world. Pinker argues that, despite the many challenges we face today, the world is actually getting better in many ways. He cites data showing that life expectancy, literacy rates, standards of living, and peace have all increased dramatically in recent centuries. He also argues that we are becoming less violent and more tolerant of others. Pinker attributes this progress to the Enlightenment, which he defines as a movement that emphasized the importance of reason, science, and humanism. He argues that these values have led us to develop better technologies, institutions, and ways of thinking, which have in turn made the world a better place. Here are some of the specific arguments that Pinker makes in Enlightenment Now. Violence has declined dramatically over the past few centuries. We are living longer, healthier, and more prosperous lives than ever before. We are becoming more tolerant of others and less likely to engage in prejudice and discrimination. We have made great strides in science and technology, which have improved our lives in many ways. We have developed more effective institutions, such as democracy and the rule of law, which help to protect our rights and freedoms. Pinker acknowledges that there are still many challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, poverty, and inequality. However, he believes that we can overcome these challenges if we continue to uphold the values of the Enlightenment. He calls on us to be optimistic about the future and to continue working to make the world a better place. Enlightenment Now has been praised by some for its optimism and its defense of the Enlightenment values. However, it has also been criticized by others for its lack of attention to certain problems, such as climate change and inequality. Despite these criticisms, Enlightenment Now remains an important book that provides a valuable perspective on the state of the world and the future of humanity.